Welcome to this brand new villa in Gulf Place. I'm Grace from Strada. Let's come and take a look inside. This property has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a study, a maid's room, 2 kitchens, 3 balconies, and a view of the park. As you can see, this property offers a full open plan living space with luxurious and premium finishings throughout. There is dividers, but it offers still to have the natural light and brightness to come through the entire property. Here is kitchen number 1. It's fully equipped and fully usable. However, we also have another kitchen through here that is closed that you can also use. And welcome to the master bedroom. It has 2 balconies, one with a full park view. It has an ensuite with a freestanding bath and a walk-in wardrobe. Now let's take a look at the other bedroom. As you will be the first person to occupy this property, you have the ability to landscape it to whichever way that you choose to. Whether that be a swimming pool, a water fountain, or grass, the choice is yours. If you like the look of this property and want to make it your home, give me a call and I'll be happy to show you around.